Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to put your keys back together after your 2-year-old rips them out of your MacBook Air. Now, a lot of tutorials aren't going to show you how to put these little pieces back into the middle of these. A lot of them already come pre-assembled like that, and then you just snap them back together. However, I'm going to show you how to get this back into there. As you can see, she's been hard at work. So, the first step you do is you look at this little piece. There's 2 rectangles at the top and 2 squares at the bottom. The squares go to the bottom at this part of the bigger piece. These rectangles go to the top. Now, what you can't really see in the video, but if you hold a piece up real close, you can see that in the middle there's these 2 little grooves that these little things go into. If you put it in the wrong way, it won't be flush with the whole piece. It'll sort of be offset a little bit, and you'll know you have it in wrong. And then what you'll do is you'll pop this piece into there, and you have to pay attention because there you have to see what side you're on, because there's a groove here, and that groove goes face down into these little pieces, because down here there's these 2 little hooks right here that hook to the bottom of these little holes right here will hook to the bottom of these little pieces right here. So I have one all ready to go, and so what I'll do is I'll slide it in and I'll press it down. Okay, I got that piece in, and then I'll get the letter. You have to push down, and then you push at the top 4 corners, and there you have it. The key's back in place. Now, a very important tip is before you even start this, make sure you have all your pieces. Like this little girl, what she decided to do was to throw everything into the garbage can. So I had to very carefully find all the little pieces and make sure everything was washed and set out to dry, and then I was able to piece it all back together. Now, hopefully all of this before my husband sees what the daughter done to his laptop. Thank you for watching your video, and click subscribe, and then hopefully you'll like my other videos. Thank you.